Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pecan pie is a pie of pecan nuts mixed with a filling of eggs, butter, and sugar, typically corn syrup. Variations may include white or brown sugar, cane syrup, sugar syrup, molasses, maple syrup, or honey.
Take our lead.
Pecan pie is traditionally made with a good amount corn syrup and/or brown sugar, which only contributes sugar and calories. Once again, your crust can be a big source of fat, especially artery-clogging saturated fat. Although pecans have many healthy attributes, more doesn't mean it's healthier.
Take our lead.
A pecan pie is essentially a custard pie, and a liquid center is almost always the result of underbaking. The Caro Classic pecan pie recipe calls for baking the pie for 60 to 70 minutes at 350 degrees. Some bakers opt to reduce the oven temperature to 325 and bake the pie for a longer time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.